Right, these are Sunny and Stumpy's babies and eggs. One was the 3rd of January and one was the 5th of January. There we go. There's Sunny and Stumpy. And 2 more eggs, I think. Or is it 3? I'm not sure. Can't remember. So that one was born on the 3rd and that little one was born on the 5th. 3 more eggs. There we go. And that's Daddy. Proud Daddy standing there, Stumpy. Bye, Stumpy. And Sunny's going back in. Good girl. Right, this is Jack and Jill. They had 5 eggs. 1 egg was born and unfortunately the baby died. So now she's left with 4 eggs. And 1 is just about to pop open, I think. So that's Jack and Jill. We'll keep an eye on them. There's Jack. I think Jill's gone back in. That's it. Right, this is Paddy and Daisy. They haven't had any chicks yet, any eggs, but no doubt they will do soon. They're very timid and flutter everywhere. So that's Daisy and Paddy. And last of all, in this cage, this is, where have you gone? Dotty and Mario. I don't think they've got any eggs yet, but they keep coming into the nesting box. And there's Dotty, and there's Mario just going out. That's Dotty. Hello, Dotty. Dotty. That's Dotty and Mario. I think they will be having eggs soon. She keeps going back into the nesting box, so watch this space in a few days, I would think. Bye, Mario.